Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ife and today I'm going to be showing you an updated version of my pearl couscous recipe. Now if you love jollof rice or fried rice, this is like a fusion of both with a little twist to it. Also, if you're trying to stay away from rice for a minute, this is one of those recipes that you might want to jump on. It's my custom. I am going to list out all the ingredients that I used for this recipe in the description box below, so you can look at it, and if you have any questions you can drop them in the comment section and I'll do well to respond. I hope you do enjoy the video and keep watching.